So let's say we want to make a mark, right? So we take a Pica pen, has a nice pencillet, nice fat, and we draw the line. One problem, there's an offset. So there's actually literally a blank space between the blade here and the pencil line. The problem is, you go to cut it, you're gonna have an offset, and that's not gonna work for precise measurements. That's good for construction, but not good for fine woodworking. So the next best option is you have a 0.7 lead, you draw that. Well, darn it, you still have a little offset. Not as bad, but you still got an offset. Now, the best way to do it is you take something like a marking knife, and you can ride right up against the edge of it, severs the fibers, and now there is no offset. And additionally, you can place this right in the groove. And so if I need to find that line again, I can butt up right up against there, good to go. If you want to set the sawtooth up against that, you've got an exact measurement. Now let's say, for example, you're like, Aaron, I don't have a marking knife. That's okay. Recently, I got this right here. It is the Milwaukee Fastback. It's got a couple features. This is not going to be a review on this, but I will show you here real quick. What I love about it is we've got a screwdriver, it's reversible, so we get the flathead, the Phillips, good to go. Does this way. Actually, the cool thing is, it's about the same handle size. Let's get back to the marking feature, right? That's what we really want to talk about. So if you don't have a marking knife, just grab one of these. It can be any brand. And then if you mark up against here, so we get right up against there. There we go. And again, we can fill right where we left off. Double check that here. I can fill that physical location. So instead of using the pencil, by the way, this works really well when it's sharp, but we all know it dulls real quick. So while this is really great for, say, writing on here and such, it's not great for marking with. And again, this does an okay job in a pinch, but if you really want to have accuracy, either use a marking knife or use a box cutter for fresh blade. This works great. And again, more accurate cuts every time. So again, very simple tip, but I know when I was beginning, I had no idea about any of this. I just thought, oh, I can just strike a line and it'll work. And it didn't work. So again, very simple, maybe you already know, and if not, hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.